COUNTIF function counts the number of non-blank cells within a range that meet the given criteria. For example, in this range, I want to count how many times the alphabet A has occurred. It's not uh, within the text, but as a whole text. Let's see how this works. So is equal to count if, and I will give it a range. In this range, I want to count how many times 44 is appearing. So the answer is 2. If I say triple four, will it count? The answer is no. So whatever you are trying to find, it will be the whole content of the cell, not within the cell. So if I say Excel space 44, it will not be counted. But if I convert this 3 into 44, it will be counted. So COUNTIF count a specific text within given range.